A very pleasant afternoon all. Myself Rohita. Every dream begins with a spark. Some begin with sunshine, but mine begin in the quiet, in the dark, in the midnight hum of impossibilities, in that strange time where creation meets curiosity and curiosity meets conscience that whispered to me that this is where you belong to, Rohita. Now, who exactly is a full stack developer? A full stack developer is a one who can build an app from the skeleton to the final glow up. They handle the front end, the part we see, the back end, the hidden heartbeat behind it, and the magical space in between. They embrace hidden engines and they use databases, logics, and server-side strength that actually works as a great impact behind those processes. Also, they craft experiences that speak impossibilities and solve insolvable problems. And I know this path isn't going to be so merciful. The journey would be so intense, the nights would stretch long, the challenges would get multiplied with each passing second. But this is exactly why I chose this profession. Because those challenges, they are kind of annoying, but they are interesting at some point. What I mean is that I'm fully prepared. I can confidently say that I'm mentally prepared to deal with those bugs, errors, and glitches that actually cause those traumatic hours of suffering. But also, we get to debug like detectives, design like artists with superpowers. As a full stack developer, I get to work with tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and databases, cloud services, and so on. I know it sounds like a whole new buffet of technology, but it's the interesting part or the fun part of the technology. Actually, we have to build things using Scratch. As I said, debug like detectives and design like artists. Technology is a kind of language which I wish to speak fluently in it. And I really think that technology isn't just logics. According to me, it's an art, an alchemy, and a dance between the precision and imagination. Full stacking independence actually has only been implemented on the field of full stack developers. They get to debug and work like detectives all the time. Every time they are always on the system, debugging at 1 a.m., wondering what the mistake they did in their program. It's my vibes, exactly my energy. Debugging at 1 a.m., wondering at the screen, staring at that. Why one missing semicolon is ruining my entire career? One missing comma can hold my entire destiny hostage. One missing bracket can turn into my villain. And one small typo will literally destroy my will to live. And that is exactly the fun part of full stack developing. The place where I want my dream to take shape is the powerful electric campus of IIT. I know excellence isn't just easy thing. It has to be done under pressure, which becomes polish, and persistence, which becomes power to us. So such an atmosphere like IIT is the right place to develop my career or to shape it in a very right way. One day I feel like I have to enter into such a campus, but not as a dreamer, not as a visitor, but as a student who truly deserve and earn such place. Also, one day I also hope to build systems that make real impact on the society. And also when I look back on the path that I've crossed, I should say like I crossed this path with poise, ambition, elegance, and a hint of mystery that people would keep on wondering what she did. So today standing here sharing my dream career with everyone feels like it's the first step I'm taking towards the future, which I'm really excited about. Thank you.